Making your descriptions vibrant, the colors of a place. Hello, language learners. In today's video, we're going to be adding a splash of color to your English conversations. That's right, we're focusing on how to describe the colors of a place. We'll be looking at basic color vocabulary, going beyond the basics, and then putting it all together in a descriptive context. Before we can dive into the colorful descriptions, let's refresh our memory on the basic color vocabulary. We have colors like red, blue, green, yellow, black, white, and so on. If you're a beginner, make sure you're comfortable with these words. Now, for those of you who are a bit more advanced or just want to push your boundaries, let's take things up a notch. Instead of just red, we can say crimson, scarlet, or maroon. Instead of blue, try navy, turquoise, or sky blue. And instead of green, we can use emerald, lime, or olive. Don't these words just make the colors come alive? When describing a place, it's common to start with the dominant color. This is the color that immediately catches your eye. For instance, the room was painted a warm, welcoming yellow, or the park was a vibrant expanse of emerald green. Colors aren't just about appearance. They can also tell us a lot about the mood or feel of a place. For example, the cool blue of the lake gave the place a serene feel, or the bright reds and oranges of the marketplace gave it a lively, bustling atmosphere. Now that we've looked at the basic vocabulary and different ways of using colors in descriptions, let's put it all together. I'll give you a description, and your task is to visualize the place and add in your own color words. 1. The old house stood at the end of the lane. It had a blank roof and blank walls. 2. The cafe on the corner was always full of people. The blank tables were covered in dishes and the blank walls were adorned with art. I'll give you a moment to fill in the blanks. That's all for today, folks. Remember, using color in your descriptions can make your English sound more natural and vibrant. So next time you're describing a place, don't forget to paint a vivid picture with your words. Happy learning!